Nothing's wasted here in the workshop. I've got a load of offcuts from various projects. Got this one was a offcut from a table I made from scrap wood from my mum. I've already started cutting it out there, but I can get 2 there, another 2 on this end, so that's 4 spoons. 4 that way, yeah, see the shape there. 4 spoons, roughly half teaspoon each. Bit of scrap wood. I've got other bits of scrap wood that I've already trimmed down. These are oh, crikey, dropped on the floor. That one still needs to be trimmed off, but these are all again offcuts. They've just been trimmed down to a smaller size. They are being cut with a knife, and they are literally plant pots. You write your name of whatever you planted in it on there, so I'm sorted. And again, in the same vein, we've got these again, offcuts from other projects. They're dibbers. Stick that in your pot, make them hole in the soil for your seed, and use one of these to labour it. Likewise, the offcuts that are too small to be any of use, and chippings from the floor, they're all, let's turn the camera around, my hand vacuum, they're all cut up and collected, and they are put outside. They'll be left outside for the winter, and come spring, once they've rotted down, they'll be used on the garden. So nothing in the workshop is wasted.